Welcome to day 9 of African guitar lessons. So, cameraman, come close, come close, come close. Now, so what I played here in this lesson, what I play here, I play on the key of D here. This is the key I play here, key of D. Now, the progression is like this. Okay, 1, then 4, 1, 5. Okay, 1, 4, 1, 5. Okay. So what I play here is like this. Okay, let me break it for you guys down step by step. Now I strike here, which is 5 mi. Okay, 5 3 5 3. Okay, so mi so mi so, which is 5 3 5 3. Okay, so this is the first thing I play here. So I slide it here. I slide it from this stage. Okay, I slide from so to la, from 5 to 6. Okay, okay, that's the first thing I did. Just like this 5, this is your 5 here, this is your 3 here, which is so mi. Okay, 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 that's the first part here. Okay, okay, the first part is like this, so mi, which is 5 3 5 3. Okay, 5 3 5 3 5 3 5 3, then which is your 4 6. Okay, okay, that's what I did first. Then the second part is like this. Okay, okay, so what I did it like this. Okay, okay, so if you play it fast, you will get it like this. So this is the first part of the video. This is the first part. Then the second part I did here is like this. Okay, I hit the octave pitch here. Okay, like this. That's the first thing. From sliding from so, from your 5 to 1 here. From this pitch, I get another shape here. So let me show you guys slowly. Okay, slide from 5 to 1. Okay. Okay, let me show you guys again. Then what you will recap here again is like this. Okay, so okay, like this, which is da 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 then la di, which is your 6 7, your 5 6. Okay, then 4 5. Okay, like this. is how I'm sliding. I slide it here. Okay. 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 So remember the chord progression. Okay. So let me show for you guys the other leg. Let me show for you guys the second leg under this one. Okay. This is the second leg we'll be looking at. Okay. So what I'm playing here is like this, or is on that same progression. Okay, so okay, so do mi re do re, which is 1 1 3 2. Okay, 1 3. Okay. Okay.